inside of the dump truck, so we have to drive it around. Oh no! That's okay. Hi, boys and girls. Look, I have my friend here. Say hi. Hi, how are you? Oh, we're about to unbox a toy. We need to get you home first, right? Okay, here we go. Oh no, there's too much stuff in the way to get you home. Here, let's try to move it. Oh no, he's stuck. Oh, I have something just for this. Let's see where, just the thing right and right here. We'll have you out in no time. All right, well now it's time to get these things out of their boxes. So we'll start off. Now remember, you're gonna need some scissors for this. Make sure you ask your parents for help to use the scissors. So we're gonna cut this out first. Ta-da! Just like that. There we go. Does it fit? I think it does. All right, cool. So we got that one out. Now we have to get this one out right here. This is my dump truck. We got it out. Okay, so now we have the dump truck. So we have our shovel. So let's start with the excavator. So we have our little guy, he's underneath that rock there. So let's see if we can move it. Be careful, hold on tight. Got it, okay, good. All right, now we have to take it and we have to put it inside of the dump truck. So we have to drive it around. Okay. Oh, that's okay, pick it back up, put it back in there. Lift it up, there we go, lift it all the way up and we can drive over to the dump truck and dump it into the dump truck. And look, there's a lot more rocks to do, so we got some work to do. But here we go. Let's go. Hey little buddy, you can help us finish by you can drive the excavator for the rest of the day while your puppy dog drives the dump truck. How's that sound? Perfect. Ta-da! We gotta get moving. So much fun. Let's put all of these rocks in here. And again. Whoa. It's almost cleared out. Got a couple more days to go. Oh, got another big rock right here. Let's get that one. Maybe we can get two in there. Ooh, that's really heavy. Oh no! That's okay. Just push the back down and all the way up and in. Looks like we've got our little puppy in the dump truck too. Oh no, here he goes. They're gonna dump him. Ah! All right, guys, we are almost done. We just gotta clear a little bit of a path. So let's see here, pull that way. We're getting it through. Oh, we're almost home. I think we're almost home. And now there's a nice big path for our little buddy to walk through. And now he's home. Sweet home. And don't forget, we have his little puppy dog too. And they lived happily ever after. And we use the rest of this stuff to help them clean up the rest. All the way till it's all Well, I had fun digging up in the soil with you and playing with my excavator and saving the day with my friend. I hope you have an awesome time. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and now see you guys next week.